Hello children, how are you? Today we have the numbers from number 16 to 20. 16 16 16 الآي silent. 6 16 10. Now 17 17 17. Look, الإي والإي silent. Again 17 17. The next number 18 18. 18 حكينا إنه 18 بتلعب رياضة عشان تخفف من وزنها، فبتقول تنزل لتحت بتقول إي، بتطلع لفوق بتقول آي. إي آي إي آي. We have الجي والإتش silent لا نلفظهم. إي آي جي إتش تي 8 again. إي آي جي إتش تي 8. هلا 8 فيها أصلا تا، فما بنحط لها تين لأنه ما بنحط لها تا، بس بنحط إن. 18 18. وبنلاحظ إنه كلهم في نهايتهم فيها تين 10. The next number 19 19. Again 19 19. الإي silent. The last number 20 20. Again 20 20. 20 التو إي 20 20. نلاحظ إنه 20 ما فيها تين. Again 16 17 18 19 20 20. What time is it? What time is it? ما هو الوقت؟ Again what time is it? We have a question mark علامة سؤال. السؤال عن الوقت. Look at this clock. It has two hands. One is blue. The small one is blue. اليد الصغيرة زرقاء. And the red one is big. يدها كبيرة. And the big one هو مفتاح الحل. اليد العقرب الكبير هو اللي راح يدلنا على الساعة إذا كانت تماما o'clock or half past #1. Look at this clock. The big hand it's point to 12. لما يكون العقرب الكبير على 12 على 12 بتكون الساعة تماما. نبدأ من الصغير إلى الكبير. It's 4 o'clock. Again it's 4 o'clock. الرابعة تماما. Look at this clock. Look at the big hand. العقرب الكبير. العقرب الكبير the big one is point to the number 6. number 6 إلى نصف الساعة. قسمنا الساعة إلى النصف فنزل العقرب إلى number 6 بتصير الساعة 1/2. half past. it's half past 1/2. ونبدأ فيها أول half past 1/2 لأنه إحنا قسمناها للساعة فهي زعلت فقالت أنا لازم تبدو فيه أول، فبنحكي it's half past بعدين الصغير it's half past 1. Again it's half past 1. إذا كانت الساعة تماما we say o'clock تماما. أما إذا كانت 1/2 we say half past. ال silent لا نلفظها. We have 6 clocks. Look at number 1. What time is it? we look at the big hand العقرب الكبير. إذا كان على 12 يكون o'clock. إذا number 6 يكون half past. excellent. نبدأ من هون. it's 1 o'clock. excellent. العقرب الكبير على 12 بتكون o'clock. it's 1 o'clock. look at number 2. what time is it? o'clock or half past? excellent. it's half past 2. إذا كان العقرب بين رقمين هنا بين 2 وال 3 we choose number 2 العدد الأقل الأصغر. هي لسه ما صارت 3 هي 2:30. it's half past 2. number 3 what time is it? excellent. look at the big hand. o'clock or half past? excellent. it's 8 o'clock. تماما 8:00 تماما. it's 8 o'clock. number 4 what time is it? excellent. it's half past and we choose the small number between 11 and 10. we choose 10 الرقم الأصغر. the low number الرقم الأصغر. it's half past 10. number 5 what time is it? excellent. it's half past 11. 11:30. the last one what time is it? it's 12 o'clock. 12:00 تماما. العادات اليومية التي نفعلها يوميا. look at the girl. she say I get up. أستيقظ من النوم. again I get up. أستيقظ من النوم. at نستخدمها للساعات. at 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock نحكي الساعة التي نستيقظ منها. again I get up. أستيقظ من النوم. look I have breakfast. أتناول وجبة الفطور. have أتناول. have إلى معنيين عندي وأتناول. في هذه الصورة we say in this picture have breakfast. breakfast وجبة الفطور. I have breakfast. again I have breakfast at and say the time. I have breakfast. look at the boy and the girl. they go to the school. excellent. I go to school. أذهب إلى المدرسة. again I go to school. go أذهب. school مدرسة. H silent لا نلفظها. I go to school at and say the time. look at your book. open your book page 30. we are in exercise 3. listen and point.
Pupils Book, page 30. Unit 10, Exercise 3. Listen and point. 1.
I get up at 6 o'clock.
2.
I get up at and say the time. look at the clock. I get up at 6 o'clock. number 2.
I have breakfast at 6:30.
I have أتناول I have breakfast at 6:30.
3.
I go to school at 7 o'clock.
I go to school at 7 o'clock. العادات اليومية. Look at the girl. She say, I get up. أستيقظ من النوم. Again, I get up at and say the time at 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock. Again, I get up. أستيقظ من النوم. Then, I have breakfast. I have أتناول breakfast وجبة الفطور. I have breakfast. Again, I have breakfast. Look at the children. They say, I go to school. I go to school. أذهب إلى المدرسة. School الH silent. School مدرسة. I go to school at 7:30. I have lunch. وجبة الغداء. Again, I have lunch. Lunch وجبة الغداء. Breakfast وجبة الفطور. I brush my teeth. brush يفرشي أسنانه. brush الإس والإتش brush. teeth أسنان. التي والإتش ث teeth أسنان. I brush my teeth. I go to bed. أذهب إلى النوم أو إلى السرير. I go to bed. Now open your pupils book, page 30. Exercise 3. Listen and point.
Listen and point. 1.
I get up at 6 o'clock.
2.
I have breakfast at 6:30.
3.
I go to school at 7 o'clock.
4.
I have lunch at 2 o'clock.
5.
I brush my teeth at 8 o'clock.
6.
I go to bed at 8:30.
Our exercise 4. Ask and answer. اسأل وجاوب على السؤال. الكويشن اليوم بيبدأ what time. ما هو الوقت. We have a question here. علامة السؤال. Again, what time do you get up? What time ما هو الوقت الذي عن إيش بنسأل إحنا؟ get up أستيقظ من النوم. What time do you get up? Look at the clock. What time does Asma get up? She say, I get up at 6 o'clock. السؤال هو سألني على get up فبدأ السؤال ب get up. Look, get up. I get up at ضروري at للساعات قبل ما نحكيها at 6 o'clock. Let's ask about go to school. What time do you go to school? Again بدل get up go to school. What time do you go to school? I say I go to school at and say the time 7 o'clock for example مثلا. طيب what time على brush teeth نفرش أسناننا. what time do you brush teeth؟ الإجابة سألني على brush teeth. I brush teeth at and say the time at 8:30. Now look at exercise 5. Listen and say.
Pupils Book, page 31. Unit 10, exercise 5. Listen and say.
Dates. Dates. Visitor. Visitor. Watch. Watch.
Again. dates تمر أو بلح. dates الإي silent. dates تمر أو بلح. dates the visitor. the visitor الI silent and the second I is silent والO silent. visitor زائر واحد. visitors زوار. do you remember Uncle Isa and Aunt Mona? visitor. visitor. Look at the letter W. صوتها watch. ال W بتحول ال A إلى O. watch ساعة يد. watch ساعة يد. أما الكلوك هي ساعة الحائط. Now open your activity book page 21. Look at exercise 3. Listen and match. You listen to the record and match the picture. We have picture A, B, C with the time. Okay. Look A, D, E, F with the clock. Listen to the audio.
Page 21. Unit 10. Exercise 3. Listen and match. 1.
What time do you get up, Kareem? I get up at 6 o'clock.
What time do you get up? What time do you get, Kareem? I get up at 6 o'clock. Where is 6 o'clock here? Excellent. Here is it. Match. Number 2.
2.
What time do you have breakfast?
What time do you have breakfast? Which picture have a breakfast? Excellent. Here is it.
I have breakfast at 6:30.
At 6:30. Which clock 6:30? Excellent. Number 2. Match with C. I have breakfast at 6:30.
3.
What time do you go to school? I go to school at 7 o'clock.
I go to school at 7 o'clock. I go to school at which picture 7 o'clock? Here is it. Excellent. Match. I go to school at 7 o'clock. Now look at this picture and these clocks and listen.
4.
time do you have lunch?
What time do you have lunch? Which picture do you have lunch? Excellent. Here is it. I have lunch at, listen,
I have lunch at 2 o'clock.
at 2 o'clock. Which picture? Excellent. Here is it. At 2 o'clock. Match.
5.
What time do you brush your teeth?
What time do you brush teeth? Which picture brush teeth? Excellent. Here is it.
I brush my teeth at 8 o'clock.
I brush my teeth at 8 o'clock. Where is it? Excellent. Here is it. Match.
6.
What time do you go to bed, Kareem? I go to bed at 8:30.
I go to bed. Go to bed. أذهب إلى النوم. I go to bed at 8:30. Match it. Excellent. What time is it? What time is it? Look at this clock. What time is it? Excellent. It's 8 o'clock. 8:00 تماما. Now look at exercise 6. Sing. نغني. The clock says. says تقول. الاس ز says. The clock says 5. الساعة تقول 5. It's 5 o'clock. لما تكون الساعة على 5 it's 5 o'clock. The clock says 6. It's 6 o'clock. The clock says 7. It's 7 o'clock. What time is it? What time is it? Now الآن. Now الآن. The clock says 8 o'clock. Listen.
Pupils Book, page 31. Unit 10. Exercise 6. Sing.
The clock says 5. It's 5 o'clock. The clock says 6. It's 6 o'clock. The clock says 7. It's 7 o'clock. What time is it? What time is it? Now the clock says 8 o'clock. The clock says 5. It's 5 o'clock. The clock says 6. It's 6 o'clock. The clock says 7. It's 7 o'clock. What time is it? What time is it? Now the clock says 8 o'clock.
Goodbye.